So it's big Supreme Court verdict day today. The top court is to hear Arvind Kejriwal's plea against his arrest in the Liquorgate scam case today. Now, this comes after the Delhi High Court had rejected Kejriwal's plea on April 9, terming his arrest completely legal. A two-judge bench of Justices Sanjiv, Khanna and Dipankar Datta will hear Delhi Chief Minister's petition. Kejriwal's petition states that his arrest is politically motivated and was solely based on contradictory statements of the co-accused, who have now turned approvers. Meanwhile, the Aam Aadmi Party is up in arms. Sanjay Singh has alleged BJP's involvement in pressurizing Sharad Reddy to give statements against Arvind Kejriwal.
जो व्यक्ति शरद रेड्डी नाम का है, जिसने बीजेपी को 60 करोड़ रुपए रिश्वत दी, जिसको खुद ईडी ने किंग पिन कहा, घोटालेबाज कहा, उस शरद रेड्डी को 12 बयान में 10 बयान उसने दिया, केजरीवाल का नाम नहीं लिया। अंतिम 2 बयान में जैसे ही उसने केजरीवाल का नाम लिया, उसको बेल मिल गई। और सिर्फ बेल ही नहीं मिली, मई के महीने में 2023 में उसको माफी नामा भी मंजूर हो गया।
Srishti Oja, my colleague, continues to be live with us. Srishti, big day for Arvind Kejriwal, especially after the scathing observations and comments that were made by the Delhi High Court when it rejected his plea, which had called his arrest illegal. Today, of course, he will be at the Apex Court's door seeking relief.
Well, yes, Pauline, we remember the High Court order which had refused to set aside Arvind Kejriwal's arrest. Arvind Kejriwal had moved Delhi High Court right after his arrest and being remanded to ED's custody, challenging the legality of his arrest by ED and also the subsequent remand that followed. Now, what we see is that after High Court had dismissed Arvind Kejriwal's petition, holding that his arrest was completely legal, there was a necessity to arrest him, and also the High Court had said that ED had sufficient material in form of hawala transactions, in form of statements of approvers and other witnesses. High Court had said that there was enough evidence that ED had to arrest him. So scathing remarks had come in from the High Court as far as Arvind Kejriwal's role in the entire liquor policy scam is concerned. He has challenged that order before the Supreme Court, essentially challenging his arrest and remand once again, and also seeking immediate release as far as the ED case in the excise policy is concerned. The case will be heard today after 10:30 a.m. by a bench led by Justice Sanjiv Khanna, who had earlier also heard cases, other excise policy cases, including those of Manish Sisodia and Sanjay Singh. It's a very crucial hearing because this will decide if Arvind Kejriwal gets any immediate relief as far as the excise policy is concerned, because we are talking about
Absolutely. It's very crucial for Arvind Kejriwal. In fact, he will hope that the Supreme Court gives him some amount of relief, and that will be, of course, one of our top focus stories. My colleagues will be tracking all those developments. Now, we're getting more news that's coming in. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal is likely to be produced before court through video conference today. Delhi Chief Minister is to be produced before the court after the expiry of judicial custody in the money laundering case. So through video conferencing, Arvind Kejriwal will be appearing before a Delhi court today. The Delhi Chief Minister is to be produced before the court after the expiry of his judicial custody in a money laundering case which is linked to the alleged Delhi excise policy scam case.